Assalamualaikum viewers, once again welcome back to our English grammar channel. Guys, हम use of words and verb के से related exercise करेंगे. So please अगर इस channel के लिए आप new हैं तो don't forget to subscribe, like it and अपने friends से share भी करना मत भूलिए. तो let's start. पहले हम इनके कुछ rules देख लेंगे जो already हम पढ़ चुके हैं कि वर्स और वर कब यूज में आता है. तो हमेशा याद रखिए वर्स आई के साथ जो फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर है और ही शी इट जो थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है. यानी आई ही शी इट जो सिंगुलर फॉर्म में है उसके साथ वर्स यूज किया जाएगा और वर हमेशा यू जो सिंगुलर फॉर्म में और प्लूरल फॉर्म में भी रहेगा पर यू सिंगुलर फॉर्म में भी है तो हम वर ही यूज करेंगे और ऑल द प्लूरल फॉर्म के लिए हम वर यूज करेंगे. गॉट इट. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ब्लैंक ड्रेस्ड एज ए लायन. तो देखिए आई के लिए वस आई वॉज ड्रेस्ड एज ए लायन. नेक्स्ट यू ब्लैंक इन द ट्रक. यू के लिए हम ऑलवेज यूज वर. यू वर इन द ट्रक. नेक्स्ट इज he blank swimming in the pool. He was swimming in the pool. Next is they blank the doctors on duty. They हमेशा प्लूरल फॉर्म के लिए वर यूज किया जाएगा. सो they were the doctors on duty. Next is it blank raining. It तो always use third person singular as was. So it was raining. Next, we blank having fun. We plural form. So always use were. We were having fun. Next is I blank a chef at Taj. I was. Next, the monkey blank eating a banana. The monkey ये थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है तो ऑलवेज यूज was. The monkey was eating a banana. Next, the boy blank reading. Boys plural form. So were. Boys plural form. So the boys were reading. Next, Mary blank going to the market. Mary singular form. So Mary was going to the market. Next, his shoes blank dirty. His singular form. So was. His shoes was dirty. Diya blank not at home. Diya was not at home. Those boys blank making a noise in the class. Those boys plural form. For plural form use were. Those boys were making a noise in the class. She blank crying. She was crying. They were playing. Ayush blank absent yesterday. Ayush singular third person. Ayush was absent yesterday. Tina and Reena blank not there. Tina and Reena plural form. So Tina and Reena were not there. I blank sleeping. I first person singular. So use was. I was sleeping. Next, they blank a snake in the garden. They a snake. Subject is singular, so was. There was a snake in the garden. It blank hot yesterday. It third person singular, so it was hot yesterday. It was hot yesterday. Hope guys you understood the concept of was and were. So wait for the next video. तब तक के लिए thank you very much. Jazakallah wa khair.